Good morning. My name is Smith, and I'll be your examiner today. Could you please tell me your full name and candidate number?
Good morning, Mr. Smith. My name is Sarah Johnson, and my candidate number is 987654.
Thank you, Sarah. Now, in this part of the test, I'm going to ask you some questions about yourself and your interests. Let's start with a topic that many people find fascinating: water. How important is water to you, Sarah?
Water is extremely important to me. It is essential for our survival and plays a vital role in maintaining good health. I believe water is one of the most valuable resources on Earth.
That's true, Sarah. Water is indeed essential for life. Can you think of any specific ways in which water is important in your daily life?
Absolutely, Mr. Smith. I use water for various purposes in my daily routine. Firstly, I drink water regularly to stay hydrated and maintain my overall well-being. Additionally, I use water for cooking, cleaning, and personal hygiene. It's also essential for washing clothes and dishes. Water is indispensable for a healthy and hygienic lifestyle.
Very well said, Sarah. It's great to see your awareness of the different uses of water. Now, let's talk about water conservation. How important do you think it is for people to conserve water?
Water conservation is of utmost importance, especially considering the increasing global water scarcity. It's everyone's responsibility to conserve water and use it efficiently. By practicing water conservation, we can ensure the availability of water for future generations and mitigate the negative impacts of water shortages on the environment.
I couldn't agree more, Sarah. Conserving water is indeed crucial for sustainable living. What are some practical steps you take in your daily life to conserve water?
I actively practice water conservation in my daily life. For instance, I make sure to turn off the tap while brushing my teeth or washing dishes. I also fix any leaks or dripping faucets promptly to prevent wastage. Furthermore, I try to use water-efficient appliances and devices, such as low-flow shower heads and toilets, which help reduce water consumption. These small steps collectively make a significant difference.
That's commendable, Sarah. Your efforts in conserving water are commendable. Now, let's move on to a related topic. Are there any water-related issues or challenges in your country?
Yes, Mr. Smith, there are a few water-related issues in my country. One significant challenge is water pollution, primarily caused by industrial waste and improper waste disposal. This pollution affects not only the quality of our drinking water but also the health of aquatic ecosystems. Another challenge is the uneven distribution of water resources, with some regions experiencing water scarcity while others have an abundance. It's crucial for the government and society to address these issues and implement sustainable solutions.
I see. Those are indeed important issues to tackle. Well, Sarah, that brings us to the end of part 1 of the speaking test. Thank you for sharing your thoughts on water and water conservation. In part 2, you will have the opportunity to speak on a topic for a little longer. We'll begin that shortly. Welcome back, Sarah. In this part of the test, you will have 1 minute to prepare a monologue on a given topic. You will then speak for up to 2 minutes. I'll provide you with a pen and paper, and I'll give you a topic to think about. You should make some notes if you wish, and then you can begin your monologue. Remember, you have 1 minute to prepare, and your topic is: describe a memorable experience you had near a body of water. All right, Sarah, your 1 minute starts now. Okay, Sarah. Please begin speaking and describe your memorable experience near a body of water.
Thank you, Mr. Smith. Well, one memorable experience I had near a body of water was during my trip to the beautiful coastal town of Cape Cod in Massachusetts. I had the opportunity to visit a stunning beach called Nauset Beach, and the experience was truly unforgettable. Firstly, the moment I set foot on the beach, I was captivated by the breathtaking scenery. The beach stretched as far as the eye could see, with powdery white sand meeting the crystal-clear turquoise water of the Atlantic Ocean. The sound of waves crashing against the shore created a soothing and peaceful atmosphere. I remember walking along the shoreline, feeling the soft sand beneath my toes and the cool water washing over my feet. It was a refreshing sensation, and the rhythmic sound of the waves was incredibly calming. The smell of the salty sea air filled my senses, creating a perfect backdrop for relaxation and tranquility. One of the most memorable moments was when I decided to go for a swim. The water was invigoratingly cool, and as I ventured further, I was amazed by the sheer vastness of the ocean. I felt a sense of freedom and exhilaration as I swam amidst the rolling waves, with the vast blue expanse stretching out before me. It was a liberating experience, and I felt a deep connection with nature. As the sun began to set, the sky transformed into a stunning palette of oranges, pinks, and purples, reflecting on the calm water. I sat on the beach, mesmerized by the beauty of the scene, and watched as the colors faded into a velvety night sky dotted with sparkling stars. It was a moment of pure serenity and awe. In conclusion, my visit to Nauset Beach in Cape Cod provided me with a truly memorable experience near a body of water. The beauty and tranquility of the beach, coupled with the refreshing swim and breathtaking sunset, created an indelible memory that I will cherish forever.
Thank you, Sarah. That was a lovely description of your memorable experience near a body of water. You captured the essence of the beach and its surroundings beautifully. Now, let's move on to part 3, where we'll explore the topic of water and its significance in a broader context. Welcome to part 3, Sarah. In this part of the test, we will discuss the topic of water in a broader context. Let's delve deeper into some related questions. Question 1. How has the perception of water changed over the years in your country?
In recent years, there has been a significant shift in the perception of water in my country. Previously, water was often taken for granted, with little emphasis on its conservation. However, with the growing awareness of environmental issues, people have become more conscious of the importance of water and the need to conserve it. There is now a greater understanding of the limited availability of freshwater resources and the potential consequences of their depletion. As a result, individuals and communities are adopting more sustainable practices to preserve and protect water sources.
Question 2. What role does the government play in water conservation efforts?
The government plays a crucial role in water conservation efforts. They have the responsibility of implementing policies and regulations that promote sustainable water management practices. This includes initiatives such as promoting water-efficient technologies, enforcing water pollution control measures, and educating the public about the importance of water conservation. Additionally, governments often invest in infrastructure projects to improve water distribution systems and ensure equitable access to clean water. By taking a proactive approach, governments can create a framework that encourages individuals, industries, and communities to prioritize water conservation.
Question 3. What are some effective ways individuals can contribute to water conservation?
Individuals can make a significant impact on water conservation through simple yet effective actions. Firstly, reducing water consumption at home by fixing leaks, using water-efficient appliances, and practicing mindful water usage, such as shorter showers, can contribute to conservation efforts. Secondly, responsibly managing household waste and avoiding the disposal of harmful substances into water sources helps prevent water pollution. Additionally, supporting organizations or campaigns that promote water conservation and raising awareness among family and friends can create a ripple effect of positive change. Ultimately, individual actions, when combined, can make a substantial difference in preserving this vital resource.
Question 4. How can industries and businesses play their part in water conservation?
Industries and businesses have a significant role to play in water conservation. Firstly, implementing efficient water management practices within their operations can minimize water wastage and reduce their ecological footprint. This can include recycling and reusing water, optimizing production processes to minimize water usage, and investing in water-saving technologies. Secondly, companies can participate in water stewardship programs, collaborating with local communities and organizations to protect water sources and ensure sustainable water usage. Lastly, businesses can raise awareness among their stakeholders about the importance of water conservation and promote responsible water practices throughout their supply chains.
Thank you, Sarah, for your insightful answers. You've demonstrated a good understanding of the various aspects of water conservation and the roles of different stakeholders. This concludes the speaking test. I appreciate your participation and wish you all the best.